today. What do you think for their cleanup efforts out there?
Gosh, calmer, thank you.
Okay, good.
I wish today's weather was yesterday's
Me too.
weather.
It was so much rain yesterday.
I wish none of this happened.
Yeah, I know.
Gosh, and we've got some really high winds too building in, so that's not going to help out the cleanup effort on Friday. So I just want to throw that out there. We do have some non-damaging thunderstorm gusts that's going to be building back in tonight through Friday. Damaging winds 50, 60 miles per hour. That's just your straight wind there. So traveling, semis, going to be tough traveling starting tonight through Friday. Also, anything loose, when you get winds of 50, 60 miles per hour, branches come down. You have loose items just rolling down the street. So it is going to be a fairly messy day on Friday just from the wind component there. Messy weather again on Sunday. Wet snow changes over to rain. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, how about this? Winter returns, wind chills at 0, if not below. 7 a.m. on Monday, feeling as low as -4. McHenry gets even colder through Tuesday morning, possibly as low as -15. So it is still several days away. Things will change, but we are looking for some colder air ahead for at least a couple of days, Monday and Tuesday of next week. It's a little cold this morning, too. A little brisk at 30, feels like 24. Southwest wind at 6. Radar, clean sweep this morning, 20s and 30s at below freezing. Jogging through Futurecast today, clouds starting to increase as those winds ramp up. We'll have some showers around in the early part of Friday morning, clearing out, but the winds will be howling through the day on Friday before eventually relaxing late in the day. So the highest winds will be start to felt throughout the morning on Friday after midnight and at least through noontime, where we'll have those wind gusts upwards of 50, 55, maybe even pushing 60 miles per hour. Morning hours on Futurecast here showing at 6 a.m. we have wind gusts upwards of 40, 45, higher winds through the midday before we see eventually things calming down out there. 47 with clouds increasing today, cool and quiet. 7-day forecast, 45 for the high tomorrow, 40 on Saturday. Messy weather on Sunday, colder. Next week, Monday, Tuesday highs, mid-20s. Overnight lows as low as 9 Tuesday, Chris.